Here is a tutorial video on how to verify your account on Remitano. The first step is to click on your username and then click on verify account. The next step is to verify the phone number to get it to level 1, and then verifying documents get it to level 3. To get it to level 1, we need to enter the phone number of the user. Here is the phone number of the user. Now a code will be sent to the mobile device of the user. We'll wait for the code. If after 30 seconds you don't get the code, you can click on this button, haven't received SMS, and then you'll be given a call by Remitano to be able to verify the phone number. Now that the SMS has not been received, you can click on haven't received SMS and then wait for the call. Okay, so after receiving the code, verify the account. So after entering the correct OTP, the number has been verified. The next step will be to verify the documents of the account. So to verify the document, you need to click on the verify button, and then the first step will be to put your full name in. Okay, so we can fill in the name. And then the document number of your ID. And then update it. Then the next step would be to upload the ID as instructed. The first step is the ID, the second step is the man holding ID, while the third step is the ID on paper, and the fourth step is the secondary ID. And then this step is the second step has been uploaded. Then the third step will be ID on paper, and when all this is completed, you'll be informed. This last step is secondary ID. So after uploading, this page will pop up showing you that the IDs are currently analyzing, and after it has been analyzed, you'll be verified. If there is any error in the upload, you'll be asked to retake the step, and this is how to verify your phone number and IDs on Remitano. And after you have been verified, you'll be automatically on level 3, which allows you to perform certain actions. So for level 1, you can only, when you verify just your phone number, you can only buy $500 daily and withdraw 250 worth of coin daily. On level 3, you can buy 100,000 daily and withdraw 2,500 worth of coin daily. For level 4, which has to do with peer certification, where you'll be peer certified by the admin or by an already peer certified user, you can buy as much as 10 million daily and withdraw 500,000 USDT worth of coin daily. So this is the step and procedure on how to verify your phone number and ID on Remitano. Thank you.